What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pimp Master, Dr. Chef Yarnell, the professor of Rich University. And I want to show you how to start your futures account using the broker that I personally like, which is Topstep, going through Topstep X. So stay tuned and watch this movement. All right, here we go. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Topstep. After you go to Topstep, you're going to log in or establish a login. Once you have your login established, you're going to hit Start a Trading Combine. Once you do that, you're going to choose which account type you want. 50, 100,000, or 150,000. Okay. Once you select, you're going to use Topstep X. That's the one I personally like. Then you're going to pay. Once you pay, you will then have a Topstep account like this. You got a demo account that you can use, and you also will have a trading combine like this. Okay. And this is how you start your Topstep account. All right. That's all I got, man. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm your boy, Dr. Chef Yarnell, the Pimp Master, the professor of Rich University. That's how you do Topstep, guys. Now let's get trading on futures. I'm out.